Hello, my name is Maria Cristina Santos, but most of my students call me Teacher Kit since my nickname is Marie Kit. I'm an online ESL teacher with about 5 years of experience, and I'm from the country where there is a lot of island, and I'm from Philippines. Teaching is my passion. In these 5 years, I've taught a lot of different students with different nationalities and cultures, including Japanese students, Chinese students, Vietnamese students, and many others, all in online class settings. I hold TEFL as well as TESOL and TEYL certificate. I taught different level of students such as young learners or kids, teens, young professions, and adults. I make sure each class is engaging, fun, and leaves a remarkable impression for every learners. I also build friendship with my students, not just teach them because as a mom of three kids, I understand how to connect and deal with younger learners. I make sure that every classes will not be boring. Instead, you can even express yourself by means of talking and sharing your stories and thoughts. In that way, you can practice your communication and speaking skills. In my class, you can also sing and dance and play with me. Guaranteed that I will assist you every step of the way in learning journey. Being an online ESL teacher inspired me every day because I'm so happy helping learners and every student to equip them knowledge and to develop. I am so excited for you, dear student, to join in my class. Dear student, I want you to know that learning English is not difficult. If you will just give time and focus with learning, it is also not a hindrance in achieving every goal. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, what are you waiting for? Come and book with me. See you.